Hi! In front of me is tablet DELL RUGGED 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Apps section on the left. When you're ready, select Default Apps. Now you need to click on one of your apps that you wish to apply as a new default one. I will go with Firefox. And then click on Set Default next to make, in this case, Firefox your default browser. As you can see, after that, my new app was successfully applied. You can also click on Choose a Default under all of those options. Tap on the desired app, maybe Windows Media Player, and then hit Set Default in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!